Hey guys, today's going to be a quick wig review for this Amazon company. Real quick video, so please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, just watch the video for me. Let's vibe out, I'm back. What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'm giving you guys a wig install. I did not realize my background looked like this. Give me a second. This wig can be found on Amazon, so I'm gonna have it linked in my description box. It's by Domiso. I don't know if that's how you spell it. It's Domiso. But this is the wig that I'm trying on, that I'm wearing this weekend. Y'all, it's supposed to be glueless, so we're gonna see how that works. Is that a glare on my camera? So yeah, Domiso. The package was kind of damaged, but it's Amazon, and I'm sure them Amazon workers were just like this. But let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, so in the box comes the wig, 2 wig caps, and oh, these lashes look bomb. These lashes look bomb. I know, I'm trying to record a TikTok, y'all. I don't know, but I'm really hoping that this wig is like a ready to wear wig. It looks like it. The lace is already cut. Yeah, this is a 24-inch deep wave wig. Look at this curl pattern. Fresh as a pack, y'all. Ooh, it's so soft. Good. Here's how the lace is looking. And the lace is already pre-cut, so you can just literally just stick it on your head. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of makeup on it, but let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and just braid my hair back. I am going to wash my hair later, but I do want to go out tonight, so this is gonna have to do the trick, and I'm hoping that it does. Let me go ahead and just braid my hair back. Alright, so I twisted it out the way, just flat enough for the wig. I'm just move my edges out the way. Alright, I'm trying to talk normal. I gotta stop. Okay. Alright, so the company did send wig caps, but I got these like brown wig caps from Amazon as well. So if you want me to link this, I'll put it down there. They do have different shades, but I got the brown one. Boom. Not exactly my skin tone, but it is darker than this, so I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on it. Oh yeah, the wig came with this band. Let's just pop this on our head and see what is working for what she's working with. It is definitely like ready to wear. Of course it doesn't match my skin tone, so yeah, but first impressions, she's cute. Let me go ahead and put some lace tint or whatever on it, because shawty is light skin and I am not. Okay, I'm tightening up the band. Hopefully that helps. My head is really little, so hopefully that helps. Okay, makeup definitely did help. All right, y'all, so I'm going to cut off that extra piece of lace and just have it where it's like really close up to the hairline so that you won't be able to see it. And I'm also going to add me some baby hairs. It's not that bad though. Like, it's kind of growing on me. Like, I know the lace is there, the lace is lacing, but this is definitely going to be good for a glueless install once I cut this extra lace off, because I feel like it's definitely secure since I adjusted that band. And I just think closures are just really good for easy throw on, gotta go somewhere. I also want to mention that this wig did come in 4 days, so fast shipping. I feel like I would have had a easier time with this wig if I did bleach the knots, but I wanted to see how ready to wear this wig actually was, so I did install it right out the pack. This clip I have right now is what the wig looked like after I shampooed it and plucked it a little bit. So I saw a girl install her wig with mousse, so that's what I'm trying here, just for a glueless effect. All I did for this wig was put makeup on the lace and cut some of the lace off, and I did my edges, and boom. I did pluck the hairline a little bit, like the part a little bit, but other than that, this is a glueless wig. I think it looks really good. Tell me what you guys think. Yeah, period. Okay, period. And then for my edges, I just used Got To Be Glue to secure my edges. But yeah, that is the look. This 24-inch glueless deep wave wig, I think it's pretty, and yeah, we'll see how this wig lasts throughout the night, because like I said, I'm gonna get some drinks and whatnot. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Everything will be linked down below. Love you guys. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at your pink pillow, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Peace.